What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and testing out the Ausom L1 electric scooter from Ausom. Now, I'm going to unbox this scooter, build it, and then test it out. So yeah, I'm going to open it up. Alright guys, now I've cut the box and time to lift it open. Ooh. And here's the scooter. I just got to put it together, so I'm going to do that. Alright, the bike is done, and it is huge. I thought it was going to be way smaller, but like this bike is tall, and it's wide with big off-road tires and great suspension. So now I'm going to go over some of the features and then ride it. Alright, here is the display, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So right here, you want to hold down the power button. When you do that, the screen will turn on and then it'll go dark, and you can either put in a code or you can use this key card it comes with. It comes with multiple of these, and then you just tap it on there like a credit card, and boom, it's on. It has Eco, Sport, and Race, and it has a horn, which is pretty loud, and then it has blinkers, which I think is super cool. Take this metal thing and you twist it to the side you want. Up here, it'll show like which way you're going, and then it'll blink right here, and then you just come back up here and turn it off. And then here's the charger that it comes with, and you just plug it in there. This scooter also folds, so what you have to do is untighten this, and then it'll push down, so the stem will come down. And also, the best thing about this bike is how easy it was to build. All you had to do really was, the stem was already on. You just had to fold it up, tighten that, and then put the handlebars on. I'm going to go ride it. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to ride this thing for the video. I mean, just look at it. It is giant. So, I want to turn it on. I haven't set up a passcode for it yet, but I do have the card that you click to turn it on. I rode it once to the park to show one of my friends it. And this thing, the suspension is crazy. It literally could sub for a trampoline. Like, I can bounce on it. Here, look. Like, it just pushes down. Because it's basically like an off-road scooter. And it does have some safety features also, to where if you pull the throttle, it won't go unless you give it a push like that, and then it'll go. So this is eco mode right now. I think the top speed's 15 miles per hour. There's eco, sport, and race. I'm gonna start in eco because I've had one electric scooter before, and it was one of those. It was when I was a lot younger though. It was one of those, I think it was Razor, but it was super slow. This is uphill. I don't know if the GoPro will catch it, but this is uphill. The handlebars are adjustable. I have them pretty high. So eco tops around 12 to 13 miles per hour. And then sport, oh my gosh, it just takes off. I recommend leaning back because this thing is super fast. So 20. And then race. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. This is crazy. 25, 26, 26, 27, 28. Okay, I gotta slow down. Dude. So that was 28. This path is slightly uphill. Whoa, that front tire pops up so easily. That was a little bit uphill. I have hit a higher speed when I was showing it to my friend. I was going downhill and I hit 35, which is crazy. Glad they let me go. Like, look at this thing. I mean, it's so big. And it's not like too heavy to the point where it's like a bike, but it's light enough to where you can go fast. Oh my gosh, it's not fully charged because I was riding it to test out that it works, and the brakes are inverted from like an e-bike, so the rear brake is on the right side and the rear brake's on the right side, the front brake's on the left side. I showed it to my friend. He hit like 30 on this flat part, which is really cool. So I want to take it off-road because it does have off-road tires, so it should be able to go off-road well. So if you hit this button on the pad right here, it'll go into a walk mode where the bike like kind of goes for you while you're holding that button down, so you don't have to, like, if you just are walking it, it won't like take off on you. And then I gotta go in the shade to show you the headlight. The headlight is very bright, but it was a little hard to get on because I did not use the plate right. Whoa, it's so fast. I've never had an electric scooter this fast. And guys, this scooter is only $600. I think I'll have a code by the time the video comes out. So the code's either on the screen or in the description. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. That is some good suspension. I mean, wow. This thing flies off-road too. And I can just jump. I'm down 1 bar of battery because I haven't charged it since it like arrived. I think it's 16 amp hours of battery. Oh, up the hill, round. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. Off the go. Race. Alright, let me go back to the hut to show you the headlight. Jump it. Yo, that was crazy. Alright, I'm in the shade. Headlight on. I think that's what the button is. Yeah, there. The headlight is on. It was very bright when I turned it on in my living room. And I have one more very cool feature about this bike that makes it legal, I think. So I'm just gonna stop right here. This silver thing, you click it and it's a blinker. So when you're turning, you use the blinker. I'm not sure how to do cruise control yet, but I'll probably figure that out. And then the horn, which is my favorite thing, because none of my e-bikes have horns, and this one's really loud. I love having a horn. Let's see how well it takes turns. Woo! It honestly takes turns very well. I'm gonna go up this hill. Yo! Dude, I don't know. This thing is just so much fun. It can go off-road, up hills, jumps. The suspension's crazy. It's like a trampoline. It has a key, or a little credit card tap to turn it on, or you can enter a passcode to turn it on. What else? The brakes are really nice. Like, I can completely stop it with only one finger on both sides, which is amazing because most brakes you have to use like all your fingers to stop it. Alright, I'm gonna go for another top speed run right here. Woo! It is a little low on battery because I've been riding it all day. 26. Oh, there's a big bump right here. Yeet! Ooh! I just jumped that bump. That was crazy. I hope the camera can like see because I'm so far up on the scooter. I'm taking these turns going fast. Dude, I've never had so much fun on a scooter. I just can't believe it's only $600. Like, some normal, not electric scooters are $600, I think. Don't fact check me. But, like, oh my gosh. And how tall it is insane. I'm gonna just bring it up here and then take one more look at it. Probably get some clips for like a TikTok or a YouTube short. And alright, leave it there. This is what it looks like. It's huge. This board where you stand on is huge. It folds down. All you do is unscrew that, and then it lays all the way down and hooks right here so that it's portable. It has built-in mud guards. You don't have to put any of that on. All you put on is you fold the stem up and then put the handlebars on, and it's pretty much good to go. And the headlight, of course, but I left the kickstand down. No. Dude, this thing is crazy. I'm probably gonna take it down a hill to test it. And some people's concerns are that on a scooter, you think it'd be super wobbly, but the size of these tires and how much like strength it has makes it like not wobbly at all. But you do have to hold on tight. Don't lean forward when you're going. Try to lean backwards so you can whoa, there's a big hole there, but the suspension just went right over it. Man, this thing is crazy. Oh yeah. Like, I don't even know what to say. It's just a really great scooter. It's only $600, and you can probably get some amount off if I have a code by the time I post this video. I don't understand why you would buy any other scooter compared to this thing. If you guys have any questions about the scooter, any concerns, then just leave a comment below. It rides amazing. The suspension's crazy. It turns good. It's stable. It's fun. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If any company wants to send me something to review, like this scooter or an e-bike, then my email is in my YouTube description for a review. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Flip it back, now I'm throwing. Going back, shawty with me, I step